we arrive at the 1968 Arenal hiking trail. Top of the mountain is over there. Don't see it very well. Maybe like that's it, like that way. Over there. That's the top of the mountain.
Išli smo ovako, okolo I sad sam sa druge strane. Ovdje gdje je Cerro Chato, znači gdje je uspavani indijanac, iz tog kratera kreće reka La Fortuna, ovuda ide gdje je kao malo dublje, tu je vodopad. Tako da to idemo kasnije. Što znači prvo ovako, pa se onda vratimo ovako i idemo.
Yeah. So 1968, my girlfriend says that when it was the biggest explosion, this is why they named that the name of the trail. So we're lucky to see that top of the mountain. Usually it's full of clouds. That's the entrance here. It's brutal. It's amazing. Looks so high.
We're walking to the Arenal.
We're walking in the trail, the red one, to the Arenal to see the first checkpoint, which is 675 meter high. So we started at 550 meter high just for the start of the trails. We're going 675, which is the highest point to check the larva. The what?
The lava from the last
The larva from the last explosion.
Yes, and this is why we cannot go higher. First of all, the mountain is very steep, and secondly, it's still active.
Yeah.
So probably they don't want us to take the risk. It's an area of a lot of earthquakes too.
So right now we don't see nothing. We're in the middle of the jungle. Not a jungle, but a trail. It's like a rocky trail. You see? It's an adventure as usual. Costa Rica is an adventure. So what I like in the jungle is this is what we have on our backyard, about that high. You see, like 4 feet. And this is like, I don't know, like 25? Not sure. It looks like a big bamboo jungle. I think it's bamboo. Is it bamboo, baby? Is this bamboo?
I don't know. I don't know the plants here.
It's crazy. It's like a big corn.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bamboo.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it looks like bamboo.
Nice trail.
So this one is the start of the trail where you can see the lava from the last eruption in 1968. So they call it colada, which is, I don't know the word in English, but it's where the lava goes down, and there's a little something there, a butterfly on the...
It's a monster. Whoa, Arenal. Huh?
Wow, like, wow, big time.
Oh yeah.
And it's very rare, no clouds,
Wow.
very rare here.
Amazing.
Oh, and there's a lake there. On the other side, we can...
Ça, c'est le volcan Arenal. La dernière éruption a eu lieu en 1968. Depuis ce temps-là, il n'y a pas eu d'autres laves de ça. Mais tu vois, là, il y a comme une grosse scratch, là. C'est comme où est-ce que la lave a descendu là, brutalement. Là, on est à 675 mètres. C'est un des volcans les plus connus ici au Costa Rica. Puis là, tu as la chaîne de montagnes, ici. Puis tu as la lagune, qui est là, le petit lac, qui fait le tour. Alors, on va faire le tour du lac. On va faire la trail qui fait le tour du lac, c'est 5 km. Et puis, bon, là, quelques jours, on était pris dans les montagnes, là, on a rencontré ça. Alors ça, c'est un des plus hauts volcans, là, connus, là, au Costa Rica. Il y en a d'autres, mais celui-là, c'est un des plus touristiques. On fait le trail, ça coûte 40$, mais ça vaut la peine. Ça, c'est l'autre côté du volcan, c'est qui fait face au volcan. Le lagune, là, la chaîne de montagne. Puis, si on fait le tour 360, c'est comme ça.
Allô, maman.
Il y a une pancarte ici, on va lire la pancarte. Ça dit Cima de Sanderos, ça veut dire le sommet de la trail. C'est le plus haut point d'observation de la trail. So we're taking the long way home. 3190 meters that way. Beehives. Oh, des abeilles. But
Meliponas is honey. Here too.
beehives, trees. Des abeilles. Une grosse abeille là.
Honeybee.
Want a steam hot dog? It's right here. Volcano Arenal. One of the nicest views you would ever see. You see the top, the clouds, you hear the wind.